mbere ni kuga BBI thiini wa Kenya ona muno tutekwaria uboro wa Kirinyaga ni kwinaga feeling ta ka BBI irakorwa andu matekumiyukia muno na gitumi kiria kiratuma yage kuyukwo ni ati mwananchi wa kawaida ndari aramenya wega benefits cia BBI no uboro wa mane ati riria ateti marathiururukire makiugaga BBI inataka ile inataka iongezwe hivi ni kwagire ka windo na His Excellency the President akiuga andu macemanie na maranirie na nikio tubana ta Council of Governors ni twacemanirie Naivasha this week na tukibeana mapendekezo maitu maria tungienda makoro makioneka thiini wa BBI na uria ndingiuria ni ati with that wisdom President yara exercise nayo no nyende gutikabingwo windu iyo nigetha mawoni ma andu maria marutitwo from the churches, mainstream churches, the Catholics, the NCCK na various interest groups iria marite marauga mawoni mao mongerero thiini wa BBI kugie na time ga kutuika ati consultation iyo ni kurundwo wega kuri andu aria mararia tondu wona twathie in a referendum with a divided country tutingienda tugie repeat ya kaundu karia konekire 2005 ria twari na referendum ya banana na chungwa ni atumire kugie bara thiini wa 2007-08 na bururi ugiatukana nuthu uria ndingienda kuria bururi ni ati through the wisdom of His Excellency the President tweterere window iria iraonekana iratuika created thiini wa BBI views cia andu tofauti ituika incorporated nigetha bururi witu ndugatuike wa kurwa and in particular thiini wa county ya Kirinyaga no nyende andu aria mena dissenting voices matigatuike aku criticize ni mauge kiria mangienda kiongererwo nigetha tutuike ithuothe turaria kaundu kamwe. That is my take, my opinion, honest opinion, na uria President arenda tuike ni tugwika tondu ni aratuthikiriria.